Howdy, folks. We are still down here in the Everglades, still off of Interstate 75, trying to catch some god-dang big old fish. I've been having a time of it. I've been fishing for 5.5 hours. The wind is ripping. It's been raining on me. I can't catch any big fish. All I can catch are cichlids, and I'm sick of catching cichlids. Here's our spot for right now. It's kind of the best we got at the moment. The spot I really wanted to fish is full of people. Hopefully they leave at some point and I can go over there, because it's normally where I have the best luck. But this will do for now because it's empty, and I can maybe get a rod holder in the ground, which would be nice for once. And yeah, I guess that's it. I guess I'm gonna get fishing and probably just catch a bunch more cichlids. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get ourselves set up. I was gonna be over there trying to stay out of people's way because, you know, this is a boat launch and all. But you can't tell that sandbags all along the side, and everything over there is basically sandbags and concrete with just that little bit of dirt on top, so I can't get a rod holder and everywhere. So here the hell, may as well be out here on the dock. So let's get our stuff set up. First off, most importantly, get us a shrimp out there. We're gonna try to still be nice. We're gonna try to not kill any fish today, but I have a feeling I'm gonna do it eventually. If I don't get a bite soon, 5 hours, not a take on these shrimp. Kind of wearing on me. I'm just gonna whip that way out there. Good enough. Then I'm gonna use my chair and my backpack here as a rod holder. I think that ought to be pretty sufficient to keep the rod in place, or it's gonna knock my chair down and push it into the water. You know, why don't we just loosen our drag a bit there just in case. And then I don't want to use the little rod yet because it's just got a jig head that I put shrimp on. I want a little bit of a challenge for these little fish to keep me busy. So, rooster tail. This rooster tail's been through the ringer today. It's a pretty beat up. At least it's still spinning. Oh, I pulled it out right as that fish came up to get it. Well, at least it still works. Let's just try coming right next to the dock from the shoreline. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice one. That's a good, oh, that's a Mayan. Oh, cool. I haven't caught a good Mayan today. The only type of cichlid today that I haven't really caught is a Mayan cichlid. And this one is a pretty good one. It's nice and red with these black stripes on them. Pretty cool fish. It used to be, when I'd come to Florida, this was like the main cichlid you'd find. You know, there were Oscars around for sure, but definitely almost always these guys. And then the last 2 years, Oscars have been mostly what I find. And this year, it's that new one, the Jaguar cichlid. I've been catching the crap out of those. Things are always changing around here in Florida. You never know what to expect. All right, big fella, we're gonna give you a dangle shake. And that's in there, huh? All right, let's figure this out. Well, that's why. I think my hook, he's gonna stab me. Yep. My hook seems to be separating on the treble. Well, that's not good. I did say this thing's been beat to hell today. Come on, you're almost out. There we go. There we go. Nice and safe release. A little traumatic with the dangle shake, but sometimes these things, you know, they just happen. He's not dead, which is more than he could really hope for. There we go. Feisty little fish over here. What we got this time? This time we got an Oscar. He's a decent size. Oscars do get pretty darn big though. There was a guy today, when I was lamenting that I had caught nothing, he was coming in on a boat, told me that, hey, we're tearing him up. And he had the secret sauce on how to catch him. And you know what he had? Shrimp. And I was like, yeah, dude, I've got shrimp too. And then when he showed me his catches, he just had a cooler full of Oscars. I was like, really, dude? Like, you're using shrimp to catch Oscars and you're bragging that you figured out the secret? Like, cool, you caught a bunch of... The dangle shake just is not working today, huh? You know. Like, cool, you caught a bunch of fish, and some of them were really good size. But bragging about catching a bunch of Oscars, it's like saying you're the master of catching green sunfish. I bet you I can catch an Oscar on an empty hook if he saw it. They'd bite anything. There you go. Another Oscar. Let him just work himself out there for a minute, tire himself out. These bigger fish, cichlids, they'll stab the hell out of you. Ugh. Yep, another Oscar. They get kind of hard to hold. They got a lot of spikes. There you go. It looks like we'll be tearing it up here. Oh, we got a gator friend. He's heard all the splashing. You're gonna be a real nuisance, aren't you? Yeah, go away. No, I said go. He's gonna come try to eat my fish. I can almost guarantee it. That's what they do. They hang out here by the dock, they try to eat your fish. Don't go through my line either. Try not to splash too much, little fish. Oh, he came off. Hop over on this side. Oh, shit. Yeah. Finally got something on the big rod. And it's off. Well, that's something for a minute. That's a good sign. It is a very large hook I've got on here, but I've got high expectations. Like that ant that moved a rubber tree. High apple pie in the sky hopes. Oh, there's our gator friend. Hey, I'm fishing here. Better hurry up and get in here. He's coming. Woo! Ooh, look at this. Ow! All right. I was saying, this guy, he's got these cool patterns on his back fin. Yeah, we're going. Well, the gator's on that side. I'm not fishing on that side. Ooh, shit. There we go. Is it off? Yep, it's off. I may need to put on a smaller hook. But it's good. We're getting results here. Getting hits on a big old shrimps. As long as we're getting hits on big old shrimps, I don't need to kill any of these fish. Wow. Oops, there goes another rubber tree plant. Ooh, my line's getting real slack. Means something's moving around with it. Finally going to get me a fish. Nope. Maybe. Yes. Nope. Nope. I think it came off. Oh no, it's still there. Not very big though. And it just came off. Shit. I at least saw it a little bit. Alright, the next fish I lose, I'm putting on a smaller hook. Something's got it again already? Certainly bouncing like something's got it again already. Yep. Something's definitely got it this time. And it's off! Alright, smaller hook. Jesus Christ, dude. Don't scare me like that. Ugh, everything I own is gonna be wet. Very, very wet. I determined to catch these fish, damn it. I suppose I do have a water-resistant jacket I could put on. Little fishy, come on in. We need you to be our friend. Oh, this is different. This is just a regular bluegill, I think. I don't know if I've ever caught just a regular old bluegill in Florida before. Got kind of a different pattern to them, but I'm pretty confident it's just regular old bluegill. Wonder where our gator friend wandered off to. Don't really see him in the water over here, but up air bubbles. That's probably where he's at. I was just about to point out that that was a dark spot that I couldn't see. There goes our rooster tail. He performed adamantly today, poor little lure. Caught many, many fish. Rest now. Your work is done. New rooster tail. Blue and silver. I don't know. This isn't exactly a great color choice for the weather, but based on the tenacity and ferocity of these freaking little tiny fish, I don't think we're gonna have much issue with it. Yep, there we go. Got one. A very big one, but a fish is a fish. Little spotted sunfish, which looks a lot like a bluegill, but he's got all these little flecks all over in him. Oh. Something's got the shrimp, I think. line definitely just started jiggling. Not really any wind to be moving it. It's not like... Oh yeah, that's something fiddling with it. Might be a turtle. I don't want it to be a turtle. I got something. Definitely got something. Fighting like it's a fish and not a turtle. Now it's coming at me. You're freaking kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. It's an Oscar. You're not what I want. Is this why I couldn't catch anything earlier? Are you little assholes eating my shrimp? Ugh. Grab hold. Good twist. Well, that's disappointing. There's something. It's got a little bit better fight to it. An Oscar. That's what I was talking about. I mean, he's got this thing sucked down there deep, which means I gotta hold on to him. He's gonna flop around. He's gonna stab me in the hands. I'm not gonna be happy about it. Don't do it. Got it, got it, got it. Good, no stab. All right. Hey, what are you doing back here? Thought I told you to skedaddle. This is my house now. You just loitering. I'm not giving you a fish. Get on out of here. How big are you? Not that big. You're probably about my size. You're a little tougher though. Oh, my line has gone slack. Very slack. Well, you picked the right time to hang out, Gator, because you might be able to fight for this one. There we go. Fighting like a fish. Okay, bring him over here. Stay in the water, fish. Stay in the water. Stop that. Don't let the gator know you're here. I think this is a bowfin. All right, gator is none the wiser. Dragging the bowfin. No. Need to get the net. No, don't. Stop it. Don't go towards the gator. Whew. Finally, one of the species I am here to catch today. A bowfin. My ideal catch would be catfish, but a bowfin is a good runner-up if he'd ever just get in the net. There we go. Whew. I see you. I'm surprised the gator didn't come try and get the bowfin. He was making a hell of a racket. All right, how are we looking down here? Looks like you swallowed it. It's in there pretty good. I can see it, but I don't think I can get it out of you. Oh, he's coming right up to the dock now. biggest issue here. So like, I have to reach so far into his mouth with the pliers. I don't think I can get that out, unfortunately. So you're gonna keep it. But hey, it's a decent start for a bowfin. I've definitely caught way bigger in here. All right, buddy, swim for your life. Let go. The gator, literally right there, up against the dock. I don't like it. But for now, we're gonna coexist. We're gonna coexist, gator. This guy just really wants to hang out. I don't know if he's lonely. I don't know if he's just waiting for me to slip and fall in on this slippery wet wood, or maybe that broken board there, or tripping over my own fishing rods. I know alligators, for the most part, don't view humans as a food item. This guy I especially wouldn't think would, because we're about the same damn size. I guess he's about 5 feet. I'm 5'8". He's definitely got the drowning ability on me. I don't think I could fight him off. I don't have my knife on me. I also don't think I have to worry about him. But he's definitely putting a damper on my fishing. You just hang out there. I'm gonna fish over here. You stay there. Ooh. Lammed it. Lammed it. You know what, fish? Not you, fish. You know what, gator? I think I'm gonna name you Gary. You're Gary now. Gary, what do you think of this fish? I think it's pretty all right. Definitely not a trophy by any means, but I mean, he's a good eater size. Eater for either of us. It'd be a nice snack for you. I'm not gonna give you a snack though. It's not gonna happen. He's going back in. Away he goes. Oh, Gary disappeared on me again. Where'd you go, buddy? You might be going under the dock here. But I don't know. Hopes if you open your bail. I don't know for sure though. I guess I'll keep throwing on this side until I figure out where he's at. Oh, shit. Yep. There we go. Another fish. And it's off. Still got the shrimp too. That's odd. I wonder if it was like another Oscar. I can understand an Oscar getting away if it was and not taking the shrimp. There's another one. Oh, he's giving a decent little run. Not much bigger than the last one. Oh shit, Gary. God damn, dude. You're lucky, fish. You almost got thrown right to Gary. It's a good thing he popped up to see what was going on. Well, if Gary's on that side, I guess we're fishing on this side. There we go. I think it's another Oscar. He's not putting up much of a fight. Nope, nope, another bowfin. Come over to this side, buddy. Gary's over there behind us. We're gonna land him over here. Yeah, a little bit better bowfin. All right, the net, verified Gary's position. Yeah, he's about the same, I think. Come on. Come on, we gotta get to him before Gary catches on. There we go. Where you at, Gary? Gary went under. I lost sight of him again. I keep stepping in this damn hole down here. I don't like it. Ah. At least you're hooked well. Clamp. Clamps are kinda... Oh, that was pretty easy. Alright, let's do a Gary check. Don't see Gary in the water around here. Alright. Swim fast. Alright. Pretty sure that Gary is still right there. I think I can see his tail right here. Yeah, that or it's a giant Plecostomus. I can't tell which, but I'm pretty sure it's his tail because that's where I last saw him anyway. So I'm gonna fish over this side again, out this way. Because I'm kind of running out of fish over there. That was before I even started reeling. Ooh, this one's a little tough. Be a real good size. I don't think it is. I think it's an okay size, but I want a real good size one. You're not even an okay size one. I mean, ooh, you're pretty though. Yeah, look at this pretty one. It's got all kinds of red extra and little extra dots. You know what? I take back what I was gonna say. You're all right. You're all right. Even unhooked easy. Look at that. All right, well, the bite's kind of slowed down over here. I can't fish where the bite, for at least cichlids are still good, because Gary's right here somewhere. So I think I'm gonna call it for this one. I've still got probably 2 hours of light left. So I'm gonna see if that family's left my favorite spot, because I generally catch big fish over there, and I really want to catch a big fish. I haven't had a big fish fight. So I'm gonna pop over there and see if I can milk these last bit of light that I got left before the mosquitoes come out and swarm me to hell. Looks like this cloud cover's kind of moving out, so maybe I'll get a little more than I anticipated. Y'all can't see him. Gary's still right there. Maybe we can bring him up. There he is. Gary, we're out of here, buddy. All right, see ya. All right, well, that's Gary for you. But we're gonna move on. And if you liked this video, we're gonna do the exact same thing for the next one, just like we did for the last one. I know, I'm getting repetitive, but at least I'm making videos finally. So stick around and stay tuned. I'll catch y'all next time.